This is level 7 for 8th grade science. This week we are finishing up our very first unit on genetics. So the first thing that you will be doing is taking a performance assessment, and it's called What Are the Chances? So on here, you will see that there are two different documents that you will want to have open. The first one is the set of directions for this assignment, and this is going to be where most of your work is going to be done. You'll see on here that there is a role, your task, the background information, as well as a set of instructions to walk you through exactly what you need to do in order to complete this assignment. It's a little slow coming up on the screen. There it is. So the directions are here, and it'll walk you through step by step what you need to do. Notice that on this first row, the example of the genotype is done for you. Please use that in order to help yourself fill out the rest of this chart. Then you have some questions here. Now, one thing that I do want you to keep in mind when you're answering questions for an assessment like this is that you should be giving lots of evidence. Your answers should not be one or two sentences. They should be at least a paragraph, sometimes more than a paragraph if you have a lot of evidence to support your ideas. Going through here, filling out some Punnett squares, and then once again, number 9, this is going to be like your conclusion, and this is going to be the longest writing piece of this assessment. So be sure that you are at least writing a paragraph here and probably using a PEA format so that you can get all of your evidence in. The other link is to a pedigree chart that you may want to print out or add to your Google Docs. The instructions for using the Google Docs and to submit it are on this page. Going back into the session after the performance assessment, which is called What Are the Chances?, you'll see that there is a writing assignment here on genetics and the human influence on genes. Now, this assignment is going to be strictly writing. You're going to be choosing one of the articles that's in this Google folder. There's quite a few to choose from, and they're all somewhat controversial ideas. So you can choose whichever one calls to you the most. You will take a stance either for or against whatever is in the article. Then you're going to be writing a PEA paragraph. It's going to be a formal writing piece, as in you're writing to the scientific community in a science journal. You will be using PEA. So if you don't remember what that is, go back and check in your English class, or you can go to this link here in order to get some more information about what that should look like. And then this rubric is going to walk you through every sentence of the PEA paragraph. Remember that there are 8 sentences in a PEA paragraph, and each sentence has a purpose or reason for being there. So be sure that you are following all of this information here and being sure that your format is going to be given the most amount of points possible. Now, you'll also see in this level, back to this page, the October 1st assignment is on hemophilia in kids. Now, this is only going to be available on Thursday, October 1st, so look for more information on this on the course update feed on the day before October 1st, which is the last day of September on Wednesday. You will need to be able to fill this out on October 1st. You cannot do it before, you cannot do it after. It has to be right on October 1st. So for anything else in level 7, let me know if you have questions. For the October 1st assignment, watch the course update feed for more information.